Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to space for smart tech and future-ready business solutions. In today's video, we are diving deep into Agentic AI, what it is, how it works, why it matters, and how it can transform your business. So, if you're looking to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving tech landscape, stick around. This is for you. What is Agentic AI? There is currently no universally agreed upon definition of Agentic AI. Some people use the terms agentic AI and AI agents interchangeably, while others draw distinctions between them. Despite these differences, most agree on certain aspects of agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can operate with a degree of independence, making decisions and taking actions to achieve specific goals. Unlike traditional AI, which requires explicit prompts to generate results, Agentic AI can analyze situations, develop strategies, and execute tasks in parallel. Agentic AI applications maintain control of how they accomplish tasks by using tools and making decisions about internal processes. Some key aspects that define Agentic AI include autonomy, the ability to function without continuous human interaction. Goal-oriented behavior, setting and pursuing objectives based on predefined or evolving goals. Adaptability, responding to changing environments and learning from past interactions. Interoperability, ability to use different data sources, tools, and platforms to enhance decision-making. To better understand what Agentic AI is, think of an autonomous vehicle that continuously recalculates the optimal route for speed or economy to its destination as conditions change. This demonstrates autonomy in decision-making, goal-oriented behavior by maintaining focus on reaching the destination, adaptability to changing road conditions, and interoperability with existing infrastructure like roads, traffic signals, and real-time traffic data. Agentic AI versus traditional AI. The difference between traditional AI and agentic AI comes down to autonomy and adaptability. Traditional AI is designed for specific tasks based on predefined rules or training data. These models analyze input and return outputs, but don't make independent decisions beyond their programming. Examples include recommendation systems, chatbots, and predictive models. Agentic AI goes beyond passive responses by actively planning, adapting, and making decisions in real time. It can interact with multiple systems, use external tools, and even refine its own objectives. Instead of waiting for user input, it can initiate tasks, learn from feedback, and self-improve. How does Agentic AI work? Agentic AI isn't a single technology, but a way of designing AI systems that operate with more independence than traditional models. The details vary from one application to another, but most agentic AI systems involve multiple LLMs that communicate through prompts, use external tools, and can read and write files. These systems often work asynchronously, making them feel more like distributed networks than isolated models. Now let's discuss multiple models, multiple roles. In most cases, an agentic AI system isn't just one LLM running alone. It's a set of models interacting with each other. A common setup involves assigning distinct roles to different models. For example, one model might act as a task manager, breaking down complex problems and distributing subtasks to other models. These submodels then complete their assigned work and pass their output back to the task manager for evaluation and integration. This modular approach allows agentic AI to handle more complex workflows than a single model could manage on its own. Instead of processing everything sequentially, tasks can run in parallel, making the system more responsive. External tools and data handling. To function beyond text generation, agentic AI needs access to external tools. These could be APIs for retrieving real-world data, databases for storing information, or even file systems for reading and writing documents. Some frameworks, like LangChain and Llama Index, make it easier to connect LLMs to these tools, allowing them to query databases, retrieve search results, or even interact with software applications. Applications of agentic AI. I see agentic AI becoming useful across a wide range of industries. Startups are already building specialized applications, and even though the field is still taking shape, older companies are moving quickly to adopt these systems. Agentic AI can either operate independently or assist a human expert, depending on the context. Healthcare? In healthcare, an agentic AI system could collect and monitor patient data, flag unusual patterns, and suggest possible treatments to doctors. This wouldn't replace medical professionals, but could reduce their workload and improve decision-making. AI-driven diagnostics and monitoring tools are already in use, and as agentic systems improve, they could take on more complex tasks. Gaming. In gaming, agentic AI could replace scripted behaviors with non-player characters, NPCs that react to players in a more natural way. Instead of predictable dialogue trees, these characters could adapt to player choices, develop goals, and even learn from past interactions. This would make in-game worlds feel more unpredictable and immersive. Finance. Agentic AI is also being explored in finance, particularly for real-time trading. A system like this could analyze market trends, execute trades automatically, or suggest investment strategies to human traders. While some automated trading already exists, agentic AI could handle more complex decision-making without constant human input. Benefits of agentic AI. I think the main benefit of agentic AI is that it can help humans from routine work so they can focus on higher-level tasks. This has happened before. Calculators took over tedious math, computers automated data processing, etc. By automating repetitive work, agentic AI creates more space for experimentation. When professionals don't have to spend hours on administrative tasks or low-level decision-making, they can iterate on ideas faster, test new approaches, and push boundaries in their fields. The speed at which new discoveries and innovations emerge could increase as a result. Another major benefit is how agentic AI democratizes access to specialized knowledge. Historically, deep expertise was limited to those who could afford consultants, advisors, or in-house specialists. With AI-driven systems offering research, analysis, and decision-making support, smaller teams and individuals can operate at a higher level than before. This could lower barriers in industries where experience and expertise have traditionally been gatekept. Challenges of agentic AI. Despite its advantages, agentic AI presents significant challenges that need careful consideration. These range from ethical concerns to socio-economic disruptions and technical limitations. Ethical concerns and regulation. One of the biggest challenges is the ethical implications of AI making autonomous decisions that affect human lives. Without clear laws and guidelines, there's a risk of unintended harm. Until we develop robust legal frameworks and gain more real-world experience, it may be wise to limit agentic AI to assistant-based roles rather than allowing it to take direct actions with serious consequences. The future of agentic AI. While today's systems mostly automate predefined tasks, future models will likely go further, self-improving, setting their own objectives, and becoming more independent problem solvers. Conclusion. In this video, we covered agentic AI and its applications. We also talked about benefits, challenges, and gave a modest forecast of the future. Although still in its early stages, agentic AI is already gaining traction with a lot of people working in the field and developing more and more capable applications. It's an exciting area to keep an eye on, and I can't wait to see what developments come next. At TechTose, we help businesses like yours integrate intelligent AI solutions that actually drive growth, not just hype. Book a free consultation with our experts and explore how agentic AI can reshape your operations. Email us at contact@techtose.com. Don't just automate, elevate your business. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments. We'd love to chat.